I knew that.
Already know.
Yeah, I already know. I love that.
And the customers are happy.
Must be happy.
Must. Must.
Must.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh, food is lagu. What?
Now I'm doing tzatziki sauce with Greek yogurt, and this is panzanella. This is the most typical Toscanian dish of summer. So vegetables, spiced, black pepper, salt, good oil, basil, and you dismantle this bread. And also I'm making some sausages for fun.
I'm excited.
Let's go.
He's already looking for mushroom.
Also watch the kind of trees, because not every tree is good for mushrooms.
Aww.
Like for example, this is an acer and this is not good.
So if you find some good trees, then you can find something good mushroom near that.
Yeah, usually yeah. Also, trees, first rule. Second rule, the weather. It has to be hot and has to be wet. So this is perfect.
Yeah, it's
But here you can find this is wet, and this is good for mushrooms because mushrooms needs a first layer of
Dry.
Inside it has to be wet.
Wow, what is that?
This is a chestnut tree.
Chestnut.
Yeah, this is very good for mushrooms.
Do you think there is something anymore?
Yeah, maybe the night.
Like what?
This tree is huge. Look at him. I told you, the best one is brown,
Yeah,
right? Maybe it's this one.
I think that's with poison
Yeah.
because it's red. This is red. This is red.
Yeah.
Looks so
Check,
dangerous.
This is no poison. It's like a very, very big. Si ossida.
Wow.
Tanti boletus si ossida.
What is? Ah, what is that? Frog?
Yeah. Frog. Look
But-
at this.
So kind. Don't bite.
No.
Why?
Because it doesn't care. Yeah.
It doesn't care.
You see, he's getting fat and more fat just to make you scared.
It's not sneaky.
Yeah, I know, but the texture is so different.
And then he goes crack.
For what?
I can't see any mushroom. 어디 갔지? 가버렸네.
Yeah. Maybe it's the purple one, but with the sun.
You're gonna make it for something?
Yeah, tonight.
Okay. I want to try it.
Yeah, but they are.
여러분, 지금 제가 낮잠을 자고 일어났는데 하나 이슈가 있어요. 무슨 이슈냐면 제 텐트 안에 거미가 있습니다. 어떡하지? 개미나 진드기까지는 어떻게 참아볼 수 있는데 거미는 사실 조금 무섭거든요? 미안하다 거미야. 근데 내가 너랑 이 텐트 안에서 공존할 수가 없잖아? 그치? 너가 생각해도 그렇지? Sorry. 한 번에 죽여야지. 야, 한 번에 죽이지 않으면 내가 죽을 수도 있어. 진짜로. 나 진짜 너무 무서워. 나 진짜 움직인다. 아, 너는 왜 여기 들어와서 나를 괴롭게 하니? 나도 너를 죽이고 싶진 않아. 아이씨, 오케이. 갔네? 죽었네? 아, 진짜 미안하다. 진짜 나 죽이고 싶지가 않아. 근데 없어졌구나. 어떡하니? 어디로 없어졌니? 랄라! 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 Handsome. No, she doesn't. Nothing.
She's too smart to do tricks, cannot do tricks. 4 years.
4 years. It looks like so baby.
Yes, she's.
You're so good girl. Ah.
Chestnut.
Yeah.
It's for me?
Yeah. You can try it too.
Wow, yes.
Chestnut desserts from Korea.
Yeah, to save the box.
Save the box.
Save the box. So I can take
You
it
want
home.
to? Ah,
Yeah, it's
why?
directly from Korea. That's why.
He want to save the box.
Yes, of course.
Only two.
You said lagu with chicken, no?
Fried chicken.
You want to try to do this? Maybe too much. How's the kitchen in Korea?
주방.
Chuba?
주방.
Chuba?
Yeah.
Chuba? Chuba?